In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request an IKEA catalog online. Although IKEA has bid farewell to its traditional catalogs, there's still a wealth of online resources you can explore for design inspiration. Let's walk through the steps to access these resources by starting with visiting the official IKEA website. Once you're on the main page, make sure you select your country or region if it's not automatically detected. This ensures you see the correct version of the site, complete with localized content and options. Next, pay attention to the top right-hand corner of the page, where you'll find the option to log in or sign up. If you don't have an IKEA account yet, you'll need to create one by signing up. Having an account will give you access to a wider array of personalized features and options on the site. After setting up or logging into your account, look for the Sign In button. Click on it and input your email address associated with your account. Then proceed to log in using your password. If you're setting this up for the first time, make sure you choose a password that's strong and easy for you to remember, but difficult for others to guess. Once you're logged in successfully, scroll down to the bottom of the homepage. Here, you will find a section labeled IKEA Brochures. Clicking on this link takes you to a page dedicated to various brochures available from IKEA. On this page, you'll discover that the traditional IKEA catalog is no longer available. After over 70 years of publishing, IKEA has retired their catalog, but they've promised to continue delivering inspiring content throughout the year via their product range and brochures. Instead of the central catalog, you have access to a range of brochures that cover different areas of home design. Start by exploring their main IKEA brochures that offer exciting home design ideas to ignite your creative side. They have individual brochures dedicated to specific areas like the bathroom, kitchen, and even professional office spaces, ensuring a comprehensive guide to outfitting these rooms with IKEA's innovative solutions. In addition to these, IKEA shares various ideas and tips that are largely inspired by real homes, offering practical solutions for small spaces, storage optimization, and style updates with Scandinavian efficiency and flair. So, dive in and explore all there is within IKEA's treasure trove of ideas and inspirations. With these resources at your fingertips, you'll have everything you need to rejuvenate your living spaces. Thanks for watching, and happy exploring.